Welcome to Shandong Sino Steel living room. This is Lilani.
This is Sarah.
Shandong Sino Steel is a global company. Though we supply in GI, GL, PPGI, corrugated steel sheet, template and aluminum. We are top 10 steel supplier in Alibaba and a company with #1 volume in North China. Now, let's watch the video to know more about us.
I'm Irene. I'm from the Foreign Trade Department of Sino Steel. I'm very happy to meet you. Due to the current epidemic situation, many of our new and old customers are not able to come to our company for site visit. So we specially made this video to show you our appearance of our offices and factory to you guys, so that you are able to have a comprehensive understanding of how we provide the products and services to our clients. Okay, let's start the journey of exploration with my camera. The first thing I want to introduce to you is the domestic business department of our company. I will mainly introduce the finance department and purchasing department. Now where we are is the purchasing department. The purchasing department is mainly responsible for purchasing the raw materials for production and integrating the supply chain. They know the situation of all kinds of domestic suppliers inside out and are able to grasp the price market trends in time. So to ensure that using the lowest cost to purchase the raw material of best quality and control the product quality from the source. Next, I will introduce the finance department. For all the income and expenses of the factory, from the payments of tens of millions to the ingredients purchasing in the cafeteria, the finance department is indispensable. At the same time, it conducts financial risk control by rigorous work process to ensure the finance safety of the company. That is because the sufficient and safe funds are the foundation for the development of the company, which also the premise for us to provide a stable service to the customer. Now, I'm gonna introduce the foreign business department to you. Let's go. Unlike the domestic business department, the foreign business department is composed with many departments, including human resources, marketing, operation, international logistics, documentation, customer services, and so on. They all perform their duties and cooperate with our foreign trade sales department to meet the variety of needs of foreign customers. I will pick a few departments to make a brief introduction to you. The first is the marketing department. Let me introduce Elia, the director of the marketing department. Elia has been working in our company for 10 years. She is a senior and experienced in the steel industry and has been to more than 20 countries and regions of our customers. Below, she will introduce her job.
Hi everyone, I'm Adia. Nice to meet you. Our marketing department is mainly responsible for the research of foreign market. Every year we will visit countries of some of our customers, so we are able to have some insight into each market for their political and economic conditions, market demand, pain point of the customer, and etc. In one way, we are providing direction for the brand marketing of the company. And in another way, this is to provide the most professional industry consulting and product service to our customers, so that they are able to have a stronger competitiveness in their own market competition.
Thank you, Elias. Bye. Let's go to the business department. Next is our business department that everyone is most familiar with. We have over 50 foreign trade sales in the department. They are very professional. More than half of them have over 5 years of foreign trade sales experience and they know the foreign trade process very well. Apart from this, our sales are proficient in English, Russian, German, Spanish, and so on. So they are able to guarantee the smooth communication with customers and know indeed what they need. So to make sure the accuracy of every detail in the communication and achieving the business in a more smooth way. After the business department signed contracts with the customers, they uploaded it by the ERP system, and after the approval, the task will be transmitted to the production department. There, the production department will get to know all the requirements of the customers and arrange a proper time for the production of goods. During the production process, the professional quality inspection department will be checking the eligibility of the goods, so to meet the standard of the customer. Next, we will take you into our production workshop. Here is how your order be transformed from a paper contract to an actual steel coil. So, let's go!
First of all, wear your safety helmet. Make sure to be safe when you enter the workshop. Hi all, I'm now at the front door of our production workshop. Here you can see the slogan we hand out when the outbreak came. Sino Steel is together with you to fight against the epidemic. During the workshop, many enterprises have suspended their production. Now they have slowly resumed the production, but since there were too many orders, we did not completely suspend it during the outbreak. We have done a lot of protective measures when entering the production. We try our best to minimize the risk of transmission. So next, let's get into the workshop of Sino to have a look. Currently, our factory have 2 rolling mills to zinc plating production lines, one anodized zinc plating production line, 2 color coating production lines, 3 decoiler and tie press machines. All of them are distributed in different zones of the factory. Let's start with the warehouse of raw material. Here store a large number of raw material rolls. Every month, we will purchase about 50,000 tons of raw material rolls. We are always ready, so when customers place an order, we are able to provide a fastest delivery time. Come, let's take a few steps to take a closer look at these raw material rolls. You can see that every roll is marked with the size information. This one is 16 tons, and this one is 20 tons. The raw materials are from the state-owned large steel plants, the Anyang Iron and Steel Group, the HBIS Group, and the Guofeng Iron and Steel. The quality of the products is controlled from the source. With these raw materials, we are able to produce galvanized, color-coated rolls and other products for our customers. Next, let's go check out the production process of our main products, the galvanized rolls and color-coated rolls. The 2 zinc plating production lines was put into operation in 1990 and 1991, respectively, and upgraded and renewed in 2010 and 2015 for the equipment. Here, let's interview an operator on a production line.
师傅，请问咱们每天运转多长时间？每天产能是多少？
我们现在是需求量特别大，工人每天3班倒，每天一条线的产能是在400吨左右，每条线一个月产能在12000吨左右。
好的，谢谢师傅。As you can see, this production line is a new line that had just been put into production in 2018. It's using the most advanced color-coated equipment in China. And we have just equipped with environmental protection equipment in May, which is able to minimize the pollution to the links and to guarantee the stable protection capacity of the production lines, increasing the production. Here is an operation console. which control the whole operation of the color coating production line. Let's interview this master. 请问这个操作台主要有什么功能呢？
这个操作台控制烘干炉的温度，控制彩图卷的米数、运转的速度时间，控制油漆的涂度等等。
So it means that this operation console is core of the entire production line. And present, the production line uses automatic production with manual multi-quality inspections. So to ensure that customers' order can be delivered quickly, efficiently, and with quality and quantity. The company has passed the ISO 9001 quality certification system, the environmental management system, and accept the third-party inspection of SGS, BV, QC, and others. It has established a complete set of quality assurance system. The workshop is equipped with a quality testing room to test the zinc layer, hardness, plating film thickness, T-band, gloss, impact test, moisture resistance, and so on. Each part of the production must undergo the strict quality testing to ensure the production quality. Under the system of a set of quality inspections, there are complete procedures from ordering to production and delivery, and the overall is implemented under the ERP information management.
After the goods are produced, and both the business department and customers agreed on the delivery time, and the logistic department will be notified to deliver to the corresponding port by car. We have our own dedicated packing and reinforcement team. There are corresponding reinforcement methods for steel coils, steel plates, and steel belts. After the transportation is arranged, the goods will be delivered safely and smoothly to the customers. After the customers receive the goods, if there are any problems with our products and services, besides dealing with our business, there are also our customer service department. They are always waiting to serve you.
Sino Steel and the window to external of the Chinese steel industry on the basis of equality, mutual benefit, and win-win cooperation. The company has extensive exchanges and friendly cooperation with domestic and foreign manufacturers. As always, we purchase honesty and ethics, seek truth, and be pragmatic, strengthen and expand brand of Sino, so to provide customers the high-quality products and first-class services. And we sincerely hope to establish a long-term win-win cooperation with customers at home and abroad for the future. This video finishes here. Looking forward to cooperation with you.
Okay, welcome back. To guarantee the high quality of products, Shandong Sino Steel has a high demanding of raw material sources. All of them are directly supplied from world-class steel raw material factories like Bow Steel and Shu Steel.
Yes, we build in key millimeters management system to control the vents thickness tolerance and the zinc coating and painting. As you know, this is very important of our product.
Yes, about stocks, we take the measure of area management. Subsidiary inventory area for different products with different specifications.
For certificate, we have attained the double ISO certificate, and furthermore, different celebrated tools can be used, including tension tester, hardness tester, T-band, and so on. At the same time, we support all third-party inspection certificates by custom, like SGS certificate, BV, CE, COC, AL, and so on. In addition, welcome customers to our visit factory in inspection. For recent special period, we also launched the mobile phone factory inspection mode.
Yes, and last but not least, from getting a new order to producing and shipping, even the after-sale service, there's also a strict system to ensure customers' benefits.
Yes, certainly in the whole process of quality problem, our professional technical engineer will provide technical support, meeting every customer's requirement. Other service, VIP service, and free order after accumulate order quantity and so on.
Yes. Hi, all the friends in our living room. After the video of introducing our company, do you have a rough understanding of Shandong Sino Steel? Today, our products expert Ms. Lilani with me will show you all our quality products to you.
Hi everyone, today Sarah and I will together show you around our product.
Yes, the first product we are going to show you is our galvanized coil. It is also called zinc-coated steel, which is our top-selling products. Let's see what Ms. Lilani gonna bring us today.
Yes. We have two galvanizing production lines in our company. The annual output of each production is nearly 100,000 tons. And the thickness we can be able to produce is 0.12 millimeter. Yes, very thin. And the specification is the requirement of many African countries, such as Kenya, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and the thickness we can produce is 4 millimeter. For the width, we can produce 600 to 1,250 millimeters. This is the most common size.
Yes, this
the
is the size.
We can make the widest we can make is 1,500 millimeters.
Great. I believe you got more to show our customers. Could you please show us about the surface treatment of galvanized steel?
Yes, I can. Yes, you can see the sample in my hand. This shape of the spangle, this is obviously very different. And
yes.
This is the small spangle, this is the big spangle. We can do the other spangle and the zero spangle too. We can do the different spangle according to the customer's requirement. And the thickness of zinc coating is different. The zinc coating can be processed ranging from 40 grams square meter to 275 gram square meter. As you know, the higher the zinc layer, the better the quality, yes. And the price will be high if you need the high zinc coating. So customers can choose according to their requirement and according to your market.
Well, there are really so many kinds of surface and types to choose from. So could you tell us about where all our customers mainly from?
Yes, of course. Our galvanized production mainly sold to Africa and South America. So we know such and also very professional in the two markets. We have customers whose annual purchase volume is the 10,000 tons. Last year, our coils of export to these two markets is account for third party of the total export volume. And this is the bill of loading in my hand.
Wow.
Yes, the bill of loading and the SGS certificate and our ISO certificate.
Yes.
Yes, also the Middle East area and the Southeast Asia. We also have many customers. If you want to know more information, please contact us and leave your message online. We will answer you here immediately. You can also send us the online one-on-one chatting invitation. We have 15 professional sales managers from our foreign trade at your service at any time.
Yes, please check. This is our SDS certificate. This one is prepainted galvanized steel coil. If you have any questions, just connect us and leave us messages. Our salesman will connect you as soon as possible. Okay, looks like this product is really have a huge market. So what's the application of galvanized steel? Could you show us?
Yes, it's too much. The common use the galvanized steel coils are corrugated steel sheets, automobiles, home applications, steel pipe, and in the building and so on.
Wow, are you seeing roofing sheets? This is the second product we want to show you guys.
Yes, it is. It is also our main product. The common thickness is from 0.12 mm to 1 mm, and the effective with the different specification like the 500 mm, 840, and the 900 and 1050 millimeters, and so on. And the shape also we can different type, such as V tiles and T-shaped tiles.
Yes, as I know, corrugated steel sheet is widely used in many countries. Most of them are used for roofing, walls, warehouse, special buildings, and the large span steel structures. It is also make building looks better. So what's the market of our roofing sheet? And could you tell us some particular market of this specification?
Yes, of course. Our main market is Africa and South America and so on. And for example, outside to Ethiopia is this size.
Yeah, 0.2, and the width is 1000 millimeter.
Yes, and the Nigeria, the size is 0.12, and the width is 665, and the width is
665, and the length will be 2400 millimeters.
Yes, but the different market has their hot size. Please contact us and leave your message online. We will contact you immediately.
Yes, welcome your any questions. So, welcome next topic. Our customers are from all over the world. It must take a long time to shipping. So, how's our package like? Could you explain it to us?
Yes, this is the packages of our steel coils. My factory Silvers exported is 3 layers packaging.
Yes,
protect the steel coil. Inside it, industrial-proof craft, and the second is the waterproof plastic film. But the outside is GI sheet. As you know, this is GI sheet too. It can protect the steel coils when we transport the steel coil. And this is the steel bed.
Yes.
The steel strip can reinforce all the steel coils and our steel plant. And with the inner coils is 11, so it is very safe from our factory to your factory.
Okay, it looks very strong and it's very safe. So let us show you some video about the package. Okay, the next product we're gonna introduce is very similar to the galvanized steel, but there are also some difference between them. That is galvalume steel. It is also named alu-zinc steel. Come on, let's make a comparison with the galvanized simple first. Okay, Leilani, show me some samples.
Okay,
Okay,
alu-zinc.
alu-zinc, yes, this is alu-zinc. And this one is alu-zinc and galvanized. Galvanized steel.
Galvanized.
Yes, galvanized steel simple. Yes, let's look closer. You can see the surface is a little different. That is because the aluzinc surface is made of 55% of aluminum. You can see, could you see clearly? The spangle of the aluzinc sheet are smaller and denser than the galvanized plating. They are looking more beautiful, right? You can check.
Yes,
This one is
the surface
galvanized.
little different.
Yes, and this one is,
It's galvalume.
yes,
It's a little different.
you can see smaller and denser, the spangle.
Yes, that's right. To me, I compare the galvanized steel and the galvalume steel, the surface also. I think the two products like two brothers. Yes, they have same raw material and different coating on the surface. Aluzinc coating is higher and resistance, and which is the kind of the high quality therms insulation material. If there is a high corrosion resistance requirement of the product for the environment, we will also be able to perform the anti-finger process. The anti-finger lift can be transparent blue and gold. This is transparent.
And this is green.
And this is gold. You can
See the difference?
Yes, you can check in your market which is familiar.
Yeah. Currently, the thickness of aluzinc steel we can produce is 0.13 millimeter, and the thickest we can make is 1.3 millimeter. And the common width we can produce is ranging from 600 millimeter to 1,250 millimeter. Most of the purchase from Africa and Southeast Asia are thin plates. I will show you the specification. These are the specifications we can produce.
Yes, the ranging we
Yes,
can
yes.
produce.
And I said most of the purchase from Africa and Southeast Asia are thin plates. The thickness is mostly ranging from 0.13 to 0.2 millimeter, while most of the purchase from South America are medium or thin plates. The thickness is mostly ranging from 0.3 to 0.8 millimeter. These are some basic specification information. So, what's the usage of aluzinc steel? Could you show us?
Yes, wow, it's too much. For example, the roof wall garage in the construction industry, and the air conditions, microwave ovens in the application industry, the exhaust pipe, field truck, and so on, and in the automobile industry too.
Yes, most of our customers use aluzinc steel to make roofing sheet. Can you introduce our main roofing types?
Yes. We mainly have the wave types and T-shaped types, but here is just representative. Please send me the roofing sheet, okay? Thank you. This is the wave tiles. This is wave tiles like a wave, and it is popular in the Africa and South America.
Oh. So I know
And
we
this
have
is the
many.
T-shape, the T-shape roofing sheet. It is popular in the Middle East.
Oh, Middle East.
Yes, Middle East like this type.
Oh, I know you have a customer from Middle East, and he often buy one order about reach about 500 tons, right?
Yes.
500. Wow,
Yes.
so big customer.
Yes.
And let us show you some videos of our roofing sheet. Okay, everyone likes good look stuff. The next product we're gonna introduce is color-coated steel coil. Shandong Sino Steel has been enriched in manufacturing color-coated steel for nearly 20 years. We have two color-coating production lines and can produce color-coated steel from 0.12 to 1.5 millimeter. The daily output can reach 600 to 700 tons. And in order to guarantee the coating quality, we only purchase the world-class paint such as Nipple paint, Akzo Nobel, and Winter paint, and so on.
Yes, the painting is very important because it can ensure the quality of color-coated
Yes.
steel coils.
Yes, yes.
And meanwhile, in order to meet the different market demand, my company, Sino Steel, has always focused on the product innovation to bring best product to customer. Besides the regular color-coated product, we can also be customized according to the customer requirement, such as the painting board, embossing board, and film coating board, metal board, and so on. Last year, we have started to develop and produce the nano color coating. This is new star product, nano color coating, and they are more resistant to corrosion, to high temperature, which we can provide you more choices for your market. Yes, here is the highlight to show you our painting coated series. There is other printing patterns that we have produced. This is the roof, brick, glass,
wow, so beautiful.
and marble. And this is winkle, and this is brick. And this
The
one is
winkle.
wooden.
This is the wrinkle.
Yes. And the wooden. And the
Wooden.
wooden. This wooden is very popular in the Southeast Asia. Yes.
Wow, look this one.
This is
Rose
the,
surface.
yes, flower. Very
What's the-
beautiful flower. And the grass is popular in the Africa. Yes, Africa,
Yeah.
Rwanda, and Ethiopia, and Nigeria. And this is brick. The brick is popular in South America, Bolivia, Chile, and the Peru.
Okay. So what's the usage of our color-coated steel? We all know that ordinary color-coated steel can be used to making roofing and sandwich panel. It is also can be used for construction, just like freezers, washing machines,
Yes.
and air conditioners, billboards, and so on. Maybe the
Yes.
billboard you have seen in the streets are made in Shandong Sino Steel.
Yes. There is many color coating on the market, and the price from high to low
Yes.
vary strengthly of the Sino Steel color coated steel sheets. Feel to contact us. You can show your sample and we can make the color according to your sample and send you the sample to compare the color if it is you need. All in all, the main application of color-coated steel is roofing sheet, but many of them don't have their own roofing machines in our customs country.
Yeah, but we have our own machine. Welcome you to us your requirement. We have different type, different color, different size, and we have all you need. Just send us your requirement.
Yes. But Sarah, could you tell me the difference between our color roofing sheet with the galvanized steel roofing sheet?
Yes, sure. You can see the simples. You can see the simples and color one. Show me a color one.
A color roofing sheet and
Yes.
a galvanized roofing sheet.
Yes, you can see the surface.
Yes, and the galvanized steel roofing sheet.
The color-coated roofing sheet is more beautiful than galvanized steel,
Yeah.
right? And it has a longer service life than galvanized. That is because the paint.
Yes, galvanized only on one surface, but the color-coated steel roofing sheet we have do the color according to your need, and very different colors.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's introduce our main products of color-coated steel.
Yes, I believe that sorry, I little nervous. I believe that after our introduction, everyone already have enough understanding our product.
Yes, as we said before, the usage of prepainted steel coil are very widely. So there are many countries that need this product. Then let us recommend to you the products that we export to various countries.
Yes, for the Saudi Arabia market, Sabor certificate is required when importing. We have product it before shipment, and we are very skilled and professional in this respect. The best-selling color in the Saudi Arabia market is IAL 9.
Yes,
This is IAL color card in my hand.
it looks like
Yes, all the colors in the IAL color card. Yes, touch me here. If you don't know which color you need, you can send us simple by DHL or TNT. We will adjust our color according to your sample, and you can compare the colors if it is you need.
yes. And the thickness we can produce is 0.28, 0.3, 0.32, 0.5, and the width will be 1,219.
Yes.
So this is our Saudi Arabia specifications. Yes. Okay, for the Rwanda market, we also have Rwanda market. The best selling color is red, and the specification is 0.22, and the width is 975.
Yes.
Okay, for single order, our Rwanda customers is very big. They place large quantity each time. So everybody, if you are like Rwanda market, leave your messages here.
Yes. For the Philippines market, the best selling color is IAL 5005 and 3020, and the size is 0.4. The width is 1,200 millimeter. This is the size.
Yes, and this one color is 5005.
Yes, it's blue.
Blue.
And we are making according to the international standard of the color card, the IL, and you can see the color is very beautiful.
Yes, and we'll show some colors. Let's choose 3020.
30.
Yes, 3020.
Yes, let me show you. It is red color.
Yes, it's red.
Yes, red color.
Okay, next for the we also have Turkmenistan market. The best selling color is 3005, 6005, 6029, and 9003. It seems like the RAL 9003 is very popular in any countries.
Yeah,
And
yes.
And the specification is 0.23 and 0.27. The width is 1 millimeter.
Yes, and the St. George market, the best selling color is blue too. Yes.
Yes.
I found many countries like blue, red, green. This is popular all over the world, and the size is 0.32, 0.342. Sorry.
And the width is
The
also
width is 1,000 millimeter.
Yes, and check this color.
Yes. The
5015.
color is blue.
Yes, this is also blue. So for the Angola market, the best selling color is RAL 3000, and the specifications are 0.2, 0.7, 27, 0.33, 0.37, and the width is 1000 millimeter.
Yes,
Yes, you
the,
can check
yes, this thickness and the width.
And
For
yes,
the Algerian market, the best in color is blue, white, and the yellow. Yes, and the specification is 0.38, 0.48, and 0.68, and the width is 1000 millimeters.
yes, you can check the thickness. And
Yes, the thickness.
the width is 1000 millimeter. Okay, next, for the Bolivia market, the best selling color are RAL 3009 and 5005, and the specifications are 0.3, and the width is 1000 millimeters.
Yes, the last for the South African market, the best selling colors is the wooden green.
Yes.
The wooden green like this. Oh, this is the flower. Sorry. Wooden.
Wooden.
Oh yes, wooden green. Wooden green and the green and the white. And the specification is 0.4 and the width is 1250.
Yes. Well, it seems that the best selling colors and the specifications of each market are very different.
Yes. Yes. All the specifications and the colors introduce you about the often exported to these countries. So we familiar this market and this country, and the quality is quite large. Our product is very recognized and welcome in this market. Customers who need this if you need this product, please contact us as soon as possible. We will reply you immediately.
Yes. So, welcome you leave messages here. So, Lilani, I know in some markets, customers buy prepainted galvanized steel from us and go back to themselves for time pricing. But some market customers buy color-coated roofing sheet directly from us, right?
Yes, of course. I said before we have roofing machine in our
Yes.
factory. So then let us recommend to you the color-coated corrugated roofing sheet we often export.
Okay, let me introduce it. For the Somalia market, the best selling color is red, and the types we often export are wave sheet, T-shaped, and glazing tile. Please show us
Yes,
the
this
specifications.
size.
For the wave sheet, the specification is 0.23 and 0.3. The width is 900.
This size.
Yes. The width of before corrugated is 900. After corrugated, the width will be 800.
Yes. Under the Nigerian market, we usually export the T-shaped tiles, and which is 7. The width before corrugated is 750 millimeters, and the after corrugated is 665 millimeters. The thickness is 0.14, and the length is 2,400 millimeters. But
Yes.
About the roofing, very important is please tell us the corrugated before corrugated width and the after corrugated width,
Yes.
so we can know which type you need.
Yes. So for this one, you can see the thickness is 0.14, and
Yes.
the width before corrugated is 665. The width of after corrugated is before. Before is this one.
Before is this
sorry,
one,
sorry.
yes.
Before is this one.
Yes.
After is this one.
Yes.
So show us your requirement.
Yes.
We will
Um,
quote you.
Yes, we can send you the price currently and immediately.
Yes, because you know we have many discounts recently, and just send a requirement. We will give you the best price and some discounts.
Yes, if there are some market we don't have talk about just now, don't worry. You can contact us directly and leave your message online. We will recommend our product according to your market. As you know, we are familiar all of the world market.
Yes. Okay, next we will show you some photos of the roofing. Okay, welcome back. We are going to introduce next product that is an upgraded version of the corrected sheet, that is stone-coated steel roofing tile.
Yes.
Show some.
Yes, this product is a little and bit smaller to the corrugated steel sheet we have introduced before. The stone color-coated color-coated steel roofing sheet is actually doing some treatment on the surface of the galvalume. Yes, galvalume we said before.
Yes.
So if you take an the overall look, the difference is obviously this is the roofing. We have the color stone on the galvalume's roofing sheet. So it is update the product of the galvalume steel corrugated sheet.
Yeah, it looks very cute, right? So what are the advantages of stone-coated steel roofing?
It's like cute and small. This is only model.
Yes.
The first point, it is amazing and economically. And the second point is that it is lightweight. You can see it is light. It's lighter than the real stone. Yes, it is easy to install. The install is very easy, like this. Yes, you can see. This is the install. It's very easy.
Yes.
Yes, and they'll be able to reduce the loading barrier of the building. And the third point is earthquake resistant. As you know, we don't know when we need to face the earthquake. But if an earthquake occurs, the stone color coated roofing sheet is not slide like the ordinary corrugated roofing sheet. It will reduce the injuries. And the fourth point of the layer is high quality color sand attached on this surface. You can see this is the color stone on the steel surface. It can also extend the life of the stain color. It has a service life up to 50 years. Wow, as you know, 50 years, a long service life in the industry material. And besides the 5 points mentioned above, this is one of the most important points of the stone color coated roofing sheet.
Yes.
It looks beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful than the galvalume steel roofing sheet, galvanized roofing, and the color coated roofing sheet.
Yes, it also have different colors.
Yes, we can do different colors.
Yes.
And different color for the different markets, and the worth great value of the money. It is actually what we often see spend on shares money for more than one goods. Yes, it will bring your super value.
The specifications of the stone-coated steel roofing are generally fixed. The common specifications are the width 420 millimeter. The length is 1,340 millimeter, and each shape of the roofing has its own special name. For example, We often produce bond roofing for Middle East district and shingle roofing for African market, and the colors are often wine red and bone coffee. As a roof, these colors are very beautiful. They will make your roof looks luxury in local. The demand in the Middle East market is also the red color.
Yes. It's popular in the Africa and Middle East now. And the following were some photos of the producing overall the product and the packages photo from our customers in Africa and Middle East. This is some of bill loading. This is the BL. Oh, sorry. This is some bill loading for the exported to Africa and the Middle East. And as people has having higher and higher requirement on the living environment, he have bigger and bigger demand for such high-end direct material. In recent years, our total export to the stone color-coated roofing sheet has increased year by year.
Wow.
Yes, it replaced the galvanized steel and galvalume steel and color-coated steel because it's very beautiful and luxury.
Yeah.
And the last year we have exported more than 20,000 tons.
20,000 tons?
Yes, yes. Yes,
so
very
big.
the large quantity.
Yes, yes.
Our current design productivity is 5,000 tons a month. So we still have a lot of the supplies in the production capacity. And this year, we hope that our sales can grow by 30% at least. Of course, we need everyone's support. Yes, we need your support to achieve the goals. So if you need, please contact us and leave your message online. My colleague will contact you and meet your requirement immediately.
Yes, because we have discount recently. So just send us your requirement.
Yes.
And our colleague will reply you any questions. Okay, let's see some photos. Okay, the next product we want to introduce to you is closely related to our daily life, from the daily food package to the chemical coil drum, from the badge we wear to the candy packing boxes. You are able to see it. Yes, correct. It is template.
Yes,
right?
template. According to the purpose of the use, template is divided into industry and the folder grade. At present, we are able to produce the industry level template with the common thickness from 0.16 to 0.6 millimeter, and the width from is 457 millimeter to 1000 millimeter. And for the folder level template, we can be able to make the thickness and the width is same for the industry level. And we can also reach the hardness from T1 to T6 and the DR8. As you know, for the template, the hardness is very important. For the different goods, for produce different goods, we use the different template. So the hardness is very important. If you need a template, you can tell us the size of your need and the hardness. And in my company, Sino Steel, also products with high cost performance, quality and quantity, and so on, always be guaranteed.
Yes, yes. So we also have lacquer template and color painting template. We can customize according to your drawings. If you have demands on this, feel free to contact us. Our products have also been sold to North Africa, Europe, Middle East, and South America. Last year, our template export quantity has reached, you guess, how many tons? Okay, I will let you know. 60,000 tons.
Oh,
yes,
very large.
Very large.
Yeah, very large quantity. And our product quality are meet customs quality requirements. From the order to the delivery, finally is the product achieved the customs factory. After seeing the product, my customers in Thailand are very satisfied with our quality.
Yes.
And all the specification and standard meet the customs requirement. Our customer is very satisfied and has already placed the second order. The
Yes.
customer from Thailand, he very satisfied with our template.
Yes, yes. We have very regular customers.
Yes.
So if you have any requirements or questions, just leave us your messages. Okay, let's watch some videos and photos. Okay, the next product we are going to introduce to you is another main product series in Shandong Sino, that is aluminum products. The aluminum products are produced by Shandong Sino Aluminum Company, a subsidiary of the Shandong Sino Steel Group. Aluminum coil, aluminum strip, aluminum plate, circle, foil, color-coated aluminum, and we also have a checkered aluminum plate. Let me show you some photos. This is the
Coated.
This is the mill finish aluminum product. No pattern. That is mill finish. See, it's very beautiful. And this is protective film.
The film can protect the
The surface. Yes, yes. And this one is aluminum circle. It can be used to our pot. The pot we can cook noodles, right? And it is very soft.
Yes, the hardness we can adjust, right?
Yes, sure. And this one is our 5 bars pattern. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. It is our very popular products.
Yes, very beautiful.
Yeah, we can use it for floor, work floor. Okay.
Yes. This is so many we have. Aluminum alloy has already become one of the most widely used non-ferrous the metal structure material in the industry, right?
Yes, yes. So let's know more about our aluminum products. Aluminum products can be used everywhere in daily life. The aluminum pot I just said, the circle one, we use to cook noodles, and the roofing sheets of the corrected roofing sheets when you look up everywhere, and so on. This is a project we have cooperate with the government. Let's see the photos. Yes, yes, this is the 5 bars pattern. All of them are aluminum alloy products.
Oh yes, but wait, I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Just we said that both the galvanized steel and the galvalume steel and the color coated steel, we can do the corrugated roofing sheet, right?
Yes, yes, sure.
As far as I know, the price of aluminum is very high. It is 3 times than the galvanized and the galvalume steel. If it is, but why we would choose the aluminum corrugated sheet?
Wow, yes, sure. The aluminum product has its own advantages. Steel rusts when it meets water, but aluminum will form an oxide film when it meets water. This makes it a long service life.
Yes.
What's more, it has light weight, high strength, rich color, easy and fast insulation. It also can resist earthquake, fire, rain, and you don't need to pay more to mention it.
Oh, well, yes, I got it. It is now a new style in the construction and the material manufacture industry.
Yes.
Yes, as I know, the aluminum can also be used for the aerospace equipment and the ship, right?
Yes, sure.
Okay. The quality of this product must be very high, right?
Yes. Aluminum products are different from other metals.
Yeah.
They have some common used series of alloys. We mainly produce 1 series, 3 series, 5 series, 6, 7, and 8 series. For different purposes, the types of the alloys technology are very different. Do you want to know more about it?
Yes, sure. Since there are so many kinds of the alloys, let me ask you some questions.
Yes.
And everyone can come and command it. Let me check if you are right.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yes. If I need the aluminum alloy shipping building.
For shipping building, we also use 5083 and 5086 alloy. Do you know not all the alloy of this type can be built into ships? They must have the classification certificates.
Oh yes, but what is the classification certificate?
That is, for example, the CCS in China, ABS in the United States, and DNV in Norway.
Oh, but if customers need our aluminum alloy, so do we have this certificate?
Of course. Is there a customer who needs a shipboard in the live dream room, just send us your requirement. Our colleague will reply you as soon as possible.
Yes, I know many of the aluminum plant exported from Sino Steel aluminum company, and they are used for making the trunk truck. I think a lot of people will interested in about it.
Yes, alloys like the 5454 and the 5052 can be used to make the tank trucks. This kind of tank body has the advantage in lightweight and high strength.
Oh yes, thank you, I got it. I just saw someone asking question about the color-coated aluminum coils. Let's learn about the color-coated aluminum coil. I know that is one of the products that our company exported a lot before.
Yes.
Yes, tell you a secret.
What?
We provide the color-coated aluminum to a lot of charge home application manufacturer at home and abroad. They usually substrate the alloy is 1050 and 1060 and 5052 and so on. Too much.
Yes, exactly. According to different alloy types, the color-coated aluminum is widely used in aluminum sandwich panel, aluminum roofing, cans, door panels, and so on. It is really a most popular new material.
So cool. I can see the products are very widely used for our daily life everywhere. Yes, like girls. Like girls' lipstick number. Maybe we use. Yes, color-coated aluminum also have many color number. It is be able to meet everyone's aesthetic and usage requirement. We are be able to customize all the colors on the IL color card.
Yes.
Yes, this is the same the color-coated steel roofing sheet. And we are be able to offer the same price of the colors on the IL color card if you make order in the Canton Fair. Only 10 days.
Yeah, only 10 days.
Yes.
And also, the brighter of the color, the higher the price of the paint. So what are you looking for? Just send us your requirement.
Yes.
We will answer you any questions. Maybe you are worried that your favorite color is not on the color card. So don't worry, we are able to customize the symbol you need according to the color symbol you provide. We make symbols to provide compression. We will start the production till you are satisfied.
Yes, it's really sweet. And we are also be able to produce the printing aluminum coil. You can have whatever you like here.
Yes.
You got everything here, and you are also be able to produce the different surface, the metal surface, wrinkle surface, and the flame coated surface.
Yeah, we also have double certifications of ISO in the production,
Yes.
inspiration, service, and management system. We have established a good sales market in the North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and other countries.
Yes.
We have very rich experience in project operation, product and service supply, as well as the government bidding experience in overseas market. And now it has developed into a leading supplier of aluminum industry.
Yes, you are right. If you are interested in the aluminum product, welcome to our homepage. We have colleagues to answer your question online 24 hours whole day. So it will turn you down to become our partner. Welcome. And if you want to visit, our website, we are always waiting for you.
Yes, we always wait for you, and we have a very big discount recently. So welcome your any questions here. So was our recommendation just what you need? If yes, please connect us as soon as possible.
Hello, welcome back. The next thing, the next thing I think you are very interesting because it's a special discount during Canton Fair. Yes, during the Canton Fair, my company Sino Steel compares the coupon and gift with the total value $50,000. Yes, as long as you are new customers placing the order during this period, you will get a chance to get it. Only $50,000. First come and first served.
Okay, it's really a big discount. So the details rules are as following. Purchase of 50 tons to 100 tons, you will have a chance to get 200 voucher
Yeah,
or
yes.
TSG Nick massager or Xiaomi Bluetooth headset. This is our very big discount.
Yes, and purchase the 100 and purchase the 101 tons to 200 tons. You will have a chance to get the $400 voucher or Apple Bluetooth. Yes, Apple Bluetooth headness and the current radar.
Yes.
Yes.
So purchase of 201 tons to 500 tons, you will have a chance to get 800 voucher.
Yes.
Yes,
this one.
800 voucher is
And
very
Huawei.
big. Yes, or
Huawei
Huawei
watch.
phone or Huawei watch.
Yes, yes. And purchase the more than 5,000 tons, you will have a chance to get the 2,000 voucher or iPad or iPhone. Yes, very value gift.
Yes.
Yes, customers purchase over the 2,000 tons. You can enjoy super gifts, 5 days trip of China. Yes, 5 days trip in China, and you are free, including a round trip or air tickets from your company to the customs country, and the border and the hotel travel in China. So you are free. You are free. You will have a 5 days travel of the China, only to purchase the 2,000 tons.
Yeah, so what are you waiting for? Just connect us and get the voucher or iPad and the iPhone.
Yes, yes, waiting for you.
So if the customers get a coupon, half of the amount can be deducted from the balance, and half of the amount can be used in new orders within the next 6 months.
Yes, yes, 6 months. 6 months you can the new order and the order within the 6 months you can use the coupon and the gift.
Yes, and then show us the follows, the details.